I got a mustache. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're returning, then welcome back. In today's video, I am doing the I Tried challenge, and oh my god, this has to be the most fun challenge I have seen on YouTube yet. It's just bringing it back from, you know, when we first started with makeup and we used to sit down with all of our products and try to recreate whose ever beauty tutorial on YouTube and try to do the same thing. So this is giving me like old school 2013, 2012 YouTube vibes. I'm loving it. I am doing Desi Perkins makeup look. This is from the Desi times Katie Dose of Colors makeup tutorial that she had like last year, I think it was. But I'm using all of the products that I have on hand. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the Desi times Katie collection. It sold out before I could get my hands on it, so I'm using the products that I have on hand and try to match them to make them look similar. So if you want to see my recreation of her makeup look, then keep on watching. Before we hop into it though, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and give it a like if you like this video and you want to see more videos from me. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to put a screen recording of Desi somewhere right here. Okay, so she already has her brows on, so I put my brows on as well. And it looks like she primed her eyes using a paint pot. So I'm going to go in with my paint pot. This is Max Langlow, of course. I use it in pretty much every video. Okay, going back in. So the color that she has kind of looks like this one called Sea Stars from ColourPop. And she's taking it on a large fluffy brush. With the color called Top Notch from ColourPop. She's using the same brush. That into the crease in a more precise way. Okay. I don't know if that looks just like Desi's, but we're gonna try today.
This is more of a cool tone.
I have something similar from Juvia's Place called Jezebel. Okay, so she's starting in the outer corner, so same color. Alright, so now she's going into an ashy brown color, which is similar to my contour color, so I'm going to take that there as well. She's putting it on the outer V and like hooking it into the inner corner. I have this one from ColourPop called Issa, like is a vibe. It's one of their Super Shock shadows. She's applying it using her finger, so I'm going to go in with my finger as well. I just realized this color is not even like similar. Alright, so that shadow was a little bit too purple, so I'm going to go in with this one, Savage from NYX. So I'm going to go in with my finger and that one's like kind of similar. We'll make it work. Then I'm going to take my brush and just get the inner corners. I'm going to apply a little bit of Zuri from this palette to my lid. And it kind of gives me that like blue metallic-y look that she has with Turbo Sun. don't have that, so I'm going to use Matte and Poreless.
Apply this with my beauty blender. This covers everything.
I'm going to use my beauty blender too.
For concealer,
God, I'm going so fast. So now she's going in with concealer, and she's actually using the ColourPop concealers. I don't have that concealer at all, so I'm just going to go in with my MAC Pro Longgggg concealer.
mixing tan from ColourPop with
She's mixing too, I don't need to. And she's applying it using the applicator, so I'm just going to use my beauty blender. And she's just, okay, she's blending it in with her beauty blender too. I think she brought hers out too. And she puts hers on the side of the nose. And somehow I got it all over my nose, so I'm gonna wipe it away. Oh, Janetta, what are you doing? I don't even know. Okay, she's taking a little bit down her nose. Try to get a precise, how's she doing hers?
I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with translucent powder.
Okay, she's going to set I am behind, I am behind. Let me blend that out. Okay, she's setting everything down using the Laura Mercier powder. I have that. With her beauty blender. Okay. So she's just bringing it down her nose. Like that. Okay, I don't have any Charlotte Tilbury products, so to set my entire face, I'm going to use this MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Deep Dark. And she's using like a large brush. I don't think I have one like that. So I'm just going to take this large brush and just set my entire face. She's, oh, go like this. CoverGirl, and I'm going to take my bronzer brush. Need that Japanese brush. Okay, I don't have their highlighters either, so I'm going to take Champagne Pop from Becca, and I think this is kind of similar, in a large fan brush, and she is like pretty much going ham. So I'm gonna go ham. Oh my god. I think that I might have applied too much. Gotta blend this out too, because it's a little long. So I'm gonna take NARS's Albatross, which looks kind of similar, and she's putting that on the tip of her nose. I got a mustache. Ooh, I need a lot of shortening. I don't have that one, but I have this Maybelline Deep Line one. I don't have a Japanese brush. I'll just put myself dry. Okay.
Now we're taking the darkest color, which is the brown from the Dark Browns. So we get no fallout.
Okay. Alright, so going to use the NYX eye pencil in the color dark brown. And I'm going to line my lower lash line as well. Okay, so I have Night Moth as well, so I'm going to line my lips, but I don't have Sauvage, so I'm going to use this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. And this lip is a little bit more purple than hers, so I'm going to take Frenemy from Tarte and apply that all over the top. Alright, so this is the finished look. It doesn't look exactly like Desi's tutorial, but at least I tried. I think I got on the similar hints, especially since we didn't have all of the same products. But I absolutely love the way that this turned out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!